What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is your boy Tech, and in today's video I'll be doing a very quick and very fast video on how to follow songs. Okay, the tutorial will be very simple, where we'll look at, okay, let's say someone is talking, you want to play very cool background music, okay, where you don't want to just jump out things, or maybe you don't want to at least be soloing song, at least you want to just follow it professionally without doing too much serious work. Okay, so I'll be giving you a very quick progression. Okay, so at the front of the screen you will see the progression of what I'm playing. So although I will say with my mouth too, so just follow it. It's very simple. Okay, so let's give it a try. Simple and very straightforward. So what I'm playing sixth chord, that is A minor, that is La, A, that is A minor. You see it on the screen. So I'm now moving to the fifth, which is G major. Then I'm now moving to D minor, that is Re, that is D. Then I'm moving to the fourth, which is F, that is F major. Let me come again. I'm playing the sixth, which is A minor, then G major, that is G, the fifth. Then I'm moving to the second, which is D minor, that is Re. Then I'm now moving to the fourth, which is F, that is Fa. So let's say someone is not talking now. Okay, hallelujah, King, lift up your hands to the King of Kings. That is the way you play. Very cool. Continue with D. Is to the fourth now. So let me call it the sixth, is A minor, then to the G major, then we are going to D now. That is, so I'm playing my fourth now, which is F major. That is to the fifth. Rise to the second, that is D minor, rise to the fourth. So very simple. They all sixth, the fifth, the second, and the fourth. That is 6, 5, 2, 4. So very simple. So if you find this video very helpful, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. I draw videos weekly basis. Okay, and do me a favor, smash that like button, because when you do that, a lot of people will see this video and the algorithm tend to recommend it to a lot of people. Okay, thank you so much. See you.